What has been your biggest challenge as a woman in real estate investing, and how did you overcome it?
Okay, Sharon?
Well, first of all, I'll start off with, I had a full-time job as a corporate executive, a senior VP level kind of job. I loved my job. I didn't intend to try to retire myself. All I intended to do was what Peggy and Leah were trying to do, which was insulate us against the losses we took in the market. The biggest challenge really I had was, given that that was the goal, was to deal with my husband, who didn't believe in the story, left the 2-day, 45 minutes in, said don't do anything foolish. At the end of the 2 days, I joined as a preferred investor.
But that wasn't foolish. That was okay. That wasn't foolish.
And it wasn't foolish, but I've spent the better part of the last 6.5 to 7 years showing him distribution checks, showing him the incredible, we've quadrupled our net worth.
Woo!
I made really good money. I made double six-figure income. I make that now, and I work 60 hours a week. I make that now without working 60 hours a week. And he's now finally become a believer. Today at lunch we were going over goals, and he said, you need to do at least 3 more deals. I don't
That's great.
This year. He said, you got to do some passive deals if you can't do lead deals, but you got to get 3 more deals done this year because we got to have more of this. So I think the biggest obstacle was really making him a believer. I'm sorry it took a long time to get to that.